Well, I came through the program 35 years ago after high school in 1979. I believe it was kind of like word of mouth. It was really the only radio school in the Metro Detroit area. Saunders Chocolate. Back when I was a little boy taking organ lessons at the back of the Grinnell store in Macomb Mall, quite often Mom would take me for a special treat at Saunders Candy Store within the mall.
The most popular item is a combination of taste sensations.
The dark chocolate, sea salt caramel.
As they say here at Morley Sanders, we are proud to continue the Saunders tradition of making chocolate worth sharing. From the Morley Sanders Chocolate Factory and Retail Outlet in Clinton Township on M59 between Groesbeck and Gratiot, NARS says the unidentified 42-year-old man had a blood alcohol level that was 3 times the legal limit. The man is currently in the Oakland County Jail charged with operating a watercraft while intoxicated, and while he has 4 drunk driving convictions, this incident is only a first offense due to a quirk in the Marine Safety Act. I'm John Wallen with the Specs Howard School of Media Arts in Woodhaven at Skateland for the season opener of the Downriver Derby Dolls League. Tonight we'll be seeing the Voodoo Vixens going up against the Blue Collar Betties in Women's Derby.
Winning tonight's game is important because it sets the stage for the whole season. The game was neck and neck at halftime with 7 points separating the teams, with the highest jam of the half with the Vixens coming just before the whistle by Peppers, who scored 15 points. The Betties' high jam was also 15 points by Jumpin' Jack Thrash, which came early in the game.
The final score, the Voodoo Vixens 175, the Blue Collar Betties 123. Perfect world, I will land a meaningful internship sometime next spring, shortly before graduation, and that will allow me to hopefully show what I can do, what I've learned,